Day one of the home gym conversion. We're about to make the whole garage into a home gym. And we're going to get back to the greenhouse. There's just too many projects going on. Happy Monday, people. Alright, y'all, so we started a little bit late today, but it's okay because we have all the time in the world anyway, so it doesn't matter. We're going to start on one side first. We're going to do this side first, going to putty up all these lines and everything, and then we're going to move over to this side. That's last. First of all, I want to give a round of applause to my mom for throwing away so much stuff. 3 storages worth, y'all. These storages are huge to even get to this point. We had to clean out all those to make our dream come true. So, thought I was playing mini apartment. This shit is bigger than my whole RV. Should have moved in here. Floor, you see the cracks right there. I gotta go around with some cement or grout stuff and make it look like this. Seal it all up because there's all like bugs and stuff going inside the house, water, all that type of stuff. So we gotta seal that up before we do anything on the floor. So I finished spackling the whole garage all over again. Now we're gonna wait for this to dry. And then we're gonna clean the walls off from all this dust, spider webs, all that kind of stuff. And we're gonna get into the primer. No, then sand the walls down and then get into the primer. These are old drywall, so it might suck up all the paint we got, but we're gonna try it anyway and see what happens. So as you can see, filled up the cracks around the ledges with liquid nails. Day one complete. All right, people, it is day 2 of the garage gym conversion, and I am about to sand everything that I puttied up yesterday. Okay, everybody, everything has been wiped down. It is now time for me to cover all this stuff up with plastic, and we're about to get to the paint. All right, guys, I have wiped down all the walls, sanded it down, everything. Now everything is covered up because we are about to start painting. It's a big day. Let's get it on. So I'm finally finished all paint. What's good, y'all? Happy quarantine. We are back in the gym conversion, day 4. We're about to add some color. I'm not even gonna talk. I'm trying to get right to it. All right, guys, today we're gonna start working on the gray. We might just do a dark gray, light gray, light gray. So the gray came out beautiful. This strip right here is gonna be white. Going into this white wall, I'm about to make it even more white, so all these spots ain't showing. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Now I'm gonna start the process of power washing the floor, getting all these oil stains out. We'll be using Rust-Oleum cleaner and degreaser for the concrete. And let's get to it. We got a lot of stains to get to. So I got the black paint. There's a lot of edges around the garage floor where it just looks really dirty. I mean, look ugly, and it's really open, so I want to paint that black too. We were about to do red at first, but we're not doing red anymore. We're gonna do black, and I got these flakes for when I put down the black paint, and then we got a proxy that we're gonna put over it to make it glossy and look really like clean and marbly. So here we go. You got a what? We are now about to apply the proxy. Where's the proxy? We're now about to apply the Sealcrete Clear Seal Proxy. Let's get it.
What we do here is go back.